The Ferrari 458 is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, known for its stunning design, powerful performance, and exhilarating driving experience. But owning a Ferrari isn't just about making a statement, it's about becoming part of an elite club. If you're considering buying a used Ferrari 458, it's an exciting venture, but also a significant investment. Given the car's high-performance engine, sophisticated technology, and exquisite design, there are crucial aspects you need to inspect before making the purchase. Stick around as we count down the top 10 things you need to check to ensure you're getting the best Ferrari 458 for your money. Let's get started. 10. Vehicle History Report. At number 10, we emphasize the importance of obtaining a vehicle history report. Before even considering a used Ferrari 458, you should review its history. This report provides crucial details about the car's past, including previous owners, accident history, service records, and mileage inconsistencies. Look for any red flags, such as a salvage title or evidence of flood damage. The Ferrari 458 is a high-performance car, and any history of significant damage could mean costly repairs down the line. Make sure the report is thorough and verifies that the car has been well maintained and hasn't undergone major repairs that could affect its performance. 9. Authentic service records. Coming in at number 9 are the authentic service records. The Ferrari 458, like any luxury performance car, requires meticulous maintenance to keep it in top condition. Check the service records to ensure that the car has been regularly serviced by authorized Ferrari service centers. Pay special attention to key maintenance milestones, such as timing belt replacements, brake servicing, and oil changes. Regular servicing is not just a sign of good ownership, but also ensures that the vehicle's components are functioning as they should. Missing or incomplete records might indicate that the car hasn't been properly maintained, which could lead to expensive issues in the future. 8. Check the paintwork and exterior condition. At number 8, it's time to inspect the paintwork and overall exterior condition of the car. A Ferrari 458 is known for its sleek, iconic look, and any imperfections can significantly affect its value. Carefully examine the car for scratches, dents, or uneven paint, which might suggest that the car has been repainted due to an accident. Check for signs of rust or corrosion, especially around the wheel arches and undercarriage. These could be indications of underlying problems. Additionally, make sure that the car's body panels align properly. Misaligned panels may point to previous collision repairs. A pristine exterior is essential for retaining the car's aesthetic appeal and value. 7. Tire condition and alignment. Coming in at number 7 is the tire condition and alignment. Given the high speeds and performance demands of a Ferrari 458, tires play a critical role. Check that the tires have even wear, sufficient tread depth, and are from reputable brands. Uneven tire wear could be a sign of misalignment or suspension issues, both of which are costly to repair. It's also a good idea to check the condition of the alloy wheels. Look for any signs of damage, cracks, or curb rash. These can indicate that the car has been driven carelessly or subjected to rough road conditions, which might have affected its overall performance. 6. Inspect the engine and transmission. At number 6, the heart of the Ferrari 458, the engine and transmission needs a thorough inspection. Start the car and listen for any unusual noises, such as knocking, rattling, or excessive ticking, which could be a sign of engine problems. The 458 is known for its smooth, high-revving V8 engine, so any rough idling or performance issues should be treated as a red flag. Also, check the transmission for smooth shifting. The Ferrari 458 has a dual-clutch transmission that should provide seamless gear changes. Any delays, jerking, or rough shifts could indicate potential transmission issues, which are expensive to repair. It's advisable to take the car to a Ferrari specialist for a professional mechanical inspection. 5. Electrical components and infotainment system. At number 5, we move on to the electrical components and infotainment system. The Ferrari 458 comes with a range of electronic features, from advanced infotainment systems to sophisticated driving aids. Check that all electrical components are functioning correctly, including the lights, wipers, power windows, and mirrors. Test the infotainment system, ensuring that the navigation, audio, and Bluetooth connectivity work without any glitches. Electrical issues in high-performance cars like the 458 can be tricky to diagnose and fix, so it's essential to ensure that everything is in good working order. Don't forget to test features like the air conditioning, backup camera, and parking sensors to ensure there are no hidden faults. 4. Suspension and braking system. Coming in strong at number 4 is the suspension and braking system, which are crucial for the performance and safety of the Ferrari 458. The suspension should provide a smooth, stable ride, absorbing bumps and road imperfections without producing any unusual noises. Worn suspension parts can affect handling, so it's important to check for any signs of leakage around the shocks. The braking system also deserves close attention. The 458 is fitted with high-performance brakes, so any squeaking, grinding, or lack of responsiveness could indicate that the brakes need servicing. Ensure the brake pads and discs are in good condition, as replacements can be very expensive on a Ferrari. 3. Undercarriage and exhaust system. At number 3, we have the undercarriage and exhaust system. The undercarriage can tell you a lot about how the car has been treated. Look for signs of damage, rust, or any leaks that could suggest issues with the drivetrain, fuel system, or other essential components. The exhaust system on the Ferrari 458 is another highlight, known for its distinct sound. Inspect it for rust, leaks, or any modifications that could affect performance. An aftermarket exhaust may enhance the sound, but it's important to ensure it hasn't been tampered with in a way that could cause performance or emissions problems. The undercarriage and exhaust must be in excellent condition for the car to function properly and sound like a true Ferrari. 2. Professional Pre-Purchase Inspection (PPI). Coming in at number 2 is perhaps the most crucial step of professional pre-purchase inspection (PPI). Even if the car looks great on the outside and seems to run well, a PPI can uncover hidden issues that you might not notice during a regular inspection. This inspection should be performed by a certified Ferrari technician who can check all the major components, including the engine, transmission, suspension, and electronics. A PPI will give you peace of mind by providing a detailed report on the car's condition, helping you make an informed decision. Skipping this step could mean unexpected repairs and costs, so it's worth investing in. 1. Verify authenticity and ownership documents. Finally, at number 1, the most important step is verifying the car's authenticity and ownership documents. A Ferrari 458 is a significant investment, and the last thing you want is to buy a car with a questionable background. Make sure the vehicle identification number VIN matches the documents, and check for any signs of tampering. Verify that the car's ownership history is clear, and that there are no outstanding loans or legal disputes tied to the vehicle. Authenticity is also crucial. Some cars might have been modified with aftermarket parts that don't meet Ferrari's standards, affecting their performance and value. Ensuring all documents are in order will protect you from potential legal or financial issues after the purchase. Buying a used Ferrari 458 is a dream come true for many automotive enthusiasts, but it requires careful consideration to ensure a wise investment. Start by thoroughly inspecting the engine and transmission, as any issues in these areas can lead to costly repairs down the line. It's also essential to verify the car's authenticity by checking the vehicle identification number VIN against official records and service history. The Ferrari 458 delivers an unparalleled driving experience, but only when it's in peak condition. Look for signs of wear and tear, and don't hesitate to request a pre-purchase inspection from a certified Ferrari specialist. This can uncover hidden issues that might not be immediately apparent. In addition to mechanical checks, consider the car's history. Accident reports, maintenance records, and previous ownership can all provide valuable insights into its condition. We hope this guide has equipped you with essential knowledge for your purchase. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and happy driving in your new Ferrari!